My question is, how about the pre-revenue stage startups? Then, I mean, if nobody's going to support them, and things would not really materialize the way they want.
No,
So how?
we have idea stage fundings as well. But what we ask our investors to not invest too much, right? We have reduced the ticket size. We ask them to invest 50,000 only. In case you find the idea too good, you can invest 1 lakh, 2 lakh, not 10 lakh, 50 lakhs in one startup. So this is, we do showcase idea stage startups as well. And these idea stage startups come with the backing of StartupLanes. We support them in everything, in franchising, in their business modeling, in launching them, networking. So if we cannot take any random idea. So idea has to be really good. There should be market. We scout everything, and then we provide those opportunities. Like the last one we did was called Taste Heaven Chicken. They have got some, if I do not remember correct, some 5 metric ton or 50 metric ton order already from Dubai for chicken. They are into a specialized chicken breed called Kadaknath chicken, or black chicken is what it is called in Singapore and Malaysia region. So they have this specialized breed, they have the sourcing, and they have the orders. They were looking for some funds to set up everything, and that is exactly what we did. And the round is still going on, so in case anybody is interested, you can definitely commit. You can go to StartupLanes website, browse through the opportunities which are available in the investing section. You'll find Kadaknath Chicken's demo days video as well as the form where you can comment. So such kind of opportunities do come, but we try to find out that how much chances are there for the success, right? We check the team. The founder is chartered accountant, so he understands number, is well educated. He's coming from a family who has links and family members engaged in the similar meat business. They have their relatives abroad in Middle East. So all those combinations we check, and that is how we showcase that particular startup. So definitely it's not bad to invest into idea stage, but limit your investment. And if you have to invest say 5 lakh, better to invite 9 of your friends and everybody invest 50,000 instead of you putting in entire 5 lakh, because that becomes risk. You have to mitigate risk as much as possible. So what happens is, if the startup fails, you lose out only 50K. But if it becomes successful, your 50K might become huge amount. Like I'll tell you my example. When we took first round of StartupLanes, our valuation was 3 crores. Right now, at a valuation of 150 crores, you can imagine the investors made 50 lakh rupees if they have invested 1 lakh. So it grew to 50 times. And technically, we started in November 2018, 1st November, and we raised, that was end of 2019. So 2020, 21, 22. Not even 3 years completed, 50 times money converted into wealth. But this is not the case with everybody, right? I will not say that every time it happens. Still, we are raising funds. Tomorrow, we are raising another 1 crore, for StartupLanes. So this might happen. This may not happen. The investors who are putting in now, they may get 20x return, or they may get 100x return, or they may not get any returns. There is always a risk. So nobody can commit or guarantee that there is no risk in startup investing. Anybody says it is assured 100%. No, it is not assured. Risk is always there. And do invest into idea stage. Nothing bad about it, but please limit your capital. We do not, we take two types of, two emotions, in fact, decide for us, isn't it? We have fear and greed. Fear of missing out induces us to take a quick decision. It should not go out of our hands, and then we make wrong decisions. And sometimes to get more, in the greed, we take decisions. So we should be taking rational decisions, nothing in fear, no emotions. If you have to take a decision, this is what I do. and I'm suggesting all of you also, if you have to take a decision, if somebody is building pressure upon you, invest now, time will go, something like that, always take some time, say half an hour, 1 hour, because in emotions we take wrong decisions. So if you take some time, half an hour or 1 hour, then your rational mind will start calculating, and then you will be in a right position to take the right decision, right? There may be cases, some exceptions, where you will be losing out on opportunities, definitely yes, because you cannot find out which one is genuine and which is just building the FOMO.